everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to show you the 2020 Bennington 22 SSRX Pontoon powered by Yamaha 150. This boat is the ocean blue panel color with the silver Syntex with carbon accent. I'm going to have Thomas hand me the phone here so I can give you guys a better look at the inside. So like I was saying, this boat has the silver Syntex pillow top upholstery with the diamond inlaid carbon stitch. It has the Syntex upholstery, so this upholstery runs about 10 to 15% cooler than standard upholstery. An all new bow table design this year, that's removable as well. Of course, those cup holders are portable cup holders. This boat has the captain and co-captain chair design with the stern radius seating. It's a very social seating arrangement. Of course, it comes with a 10-foot long bimini top, and with all our Benningtons, they come with a full pipe end cover. Take a look at the helm here. This boat has the kicker Bluetooth stereo, the Garmin Striker 4, full instrumentation, as well as a throttle placed conveniently right alongside the driver for a nice comfort, tilt wheel, and reclining armrests on the seat, and reclining chair. Silver seagrass flooring. And with this Pontoon in 150 horsepower Yamaha, this boat will be excellent for tubing, skiing, cruising across the lake. It will come with a ski tow bar as well. Come and see us here at MarineMax of Greenville, South Carolina, or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.